Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is KPI or Key Performance Indicators. How an organization is performing, whether the organization is performing bad or good, there are certain indication points which clearly tell you that whether your organization is performing in a proper way or not. There are certain parameters on the basis of which organizations decide that whether they are functioning appropriately or not. And they must do it, ladies and gentlemen. KPI is something which every organization should do. Without KPI, you cannot understand that whatever you have planned, whether it is fruitful for your customers or not. Whether your customers are happy because of your performance or not, whether your customers are happy because of the product that you are selling them or not. We must keep customers in mind, because if customers are dissatisfied, the business will never grow. In this regard, industry experts have developed certain points on the basis of which we check that whether an industry is performing appropriately or not. And these are those crucial points I just tell you. Number one key performance indicator is cost reduction. Now, how cost reduction is the number one KPI? Ladies and gentlemen, the cost of production should be low. The cost of production of a good should always be low. Now, I don't mean to say that you do some kind of cost cutting and you stop implementing some kind of crucial things which are actually required during the production process of the good. No. I'm not saying that you leave crucial things, but the cost must be minimized. Something that can happen at a lower cost, it should never be done at a higher cost. If the same kind of results you are getting by implementing a low cost machinery, why to implement a high cost machinery for that? If both the machineries are giving same type of results. We know that there are certain initial things which are required for production of a good. If those initial resources what we require, if we can get those resources, if we can get quality resources at a lower cost, why should we pay a higher cost for the same quality product? Because here you are getting the same quality at a reduced cost, so why not purchase the raw material at a reduced cost, ladies and gentlemen? It is not cost cutting. It is basically understanding that how you can accomplish your target in an economic way. Illogical cost reduction plus handling your project economically are two different things. We must be able to differentiate between the two. Second point says revenue improvement. Now, how the revenue is going to improve? This is the second point, and third point says customer satisfaction. I must say that revenue improvement and customer satisfaction are interrelated terms. We should not discuss these terms separately. Revenue improvement plus customer satisfaction. If the customer is satisfied, automatically the revenue is going to increase. For developing a particular kind of product, we put some initial money. We put some initial amount of money, which is involved in production of that good, which is involved in distribution of that good, which is involved in other such things which are necessary for maintaining the good in a proper way. But all such kind of money spent in that particular good, it is of no use if the customer is not satisfied. If the customer is not satisfied, there is no meaning in producing any kind of good. There is no meaning in putting large number of money in production process of that good. So first of all, we need to analyze that what are the needs and requirements of the customers, what they actually want, and if they are currently using some kind of product, and if we want to sell the same kind of product, we must bring new innovation in that product. Why? Because they are already familiar with the quality of a particular product that they are using. They have been using a particular kind of product since last many years. And now if we think that we have to give the same kind of product to the customer, we must give the product with a certain level of improvement. Put some improvement in the existing product and then present that product in front of your customers will be more satisfied. Why more satisfied? Because they have always been using the same kind of product already. And if the similar kind of product is being provided to them, of course they will accept them because they have become habitual of using the same kind of product. But if you put some new kind of improvement in the same product, they will accept it more gracefully. Why they will accept it more gracefully? Because they will think that, okay, this person is giving us the same kind of product that we have been using since last many years, and yes, this product is nice, we have become habitual of using this product, but see that this new individual, this new industrialist has created a little bit innovation in this product. So let us see that what that innovation is and how that innovation can help us in improving our life in a better way. So the plus point is we are already habitual of using the kind of product, plus we need to understand little bit improvement that has been made in the product. So both ways it will be acceptable by your audience, by your customers. So please keep these things in mind. These are the key performance indicators or the KPIs of any business. I would like to repeat all the three statements here, ladies and gentlemen. Number one says cost reduction. If goods can be produced at a lower cost, if the quality goods can be produced at lower cost, there is no need to invest heavily in that product. Always keep this thing in mind, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't invest heavily if something can happen at a lower cost. Second point, as I have discussed, revenue improvement. Revenue improvement is going to happen only if your product is having quality. If the product is not having quality, revenue is not going to improve. If you are not providing quality products to your customers, revenue is not going to improve in any way. So that's why in order to improve your revenue, try to provide only quality products to the customers. And the third and the most crucial point that I have just discussed is customer satisfaction, increased customer satisfaction. Customers will be satisfied if they are getting something which they actually desire. So always keep these three parameters in your mind, ladies and gentlemen, which are known as KPIs, key performance indicators of a business, and your business will only grow, and that's all. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer, B.Tech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.